Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make a homemade coffee slushie. Homemade coffee slushies are such a popular beverage, especially in the summertime, but they can cost you quite a bit of money. So if you want to cut on costs and make them at home for your own convenience, I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. Now you're just going to need to gather your ingredients. You're going to need milk, instant coffee, some maple syrup, and some ice. And that, my friend, can get you your own homemade coffee slushie. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take a half a cup of milk, and you can use whatever milk of your choice you desire. We're going to pour that into the bottom of our blender. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our instant coffee, and we're going to use 2 packets, or if you have just a container of instant coffee, you can use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. And then we're going to put that in on top of our milk. Now, after we have all of that in there, what we're going to do is we're going to take some maple syrup. Today we're using 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and what this does is because it's so thick, it helps to add consistency and smoothness to the blended coffee beverage, as well as it adds some sugar to make it sweet. So we put that in there next. After you have those 3 ingredients in there, you can then add your cup of ice. And today we're using a 16-ounce cup of ice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our top on our blender, and then we're going to turn our blender on high. Once the blender comes to a stop, or you notice that the slushie is the consistency that you want, you can then go ahead and remove the top, and you can pour it into your serving glass. And again, depending on how you want to serve this is totally up to you. If you want to top it off with whipped cream, that would be great. If not, you can drink it just as is. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a coffee slushie at home.